Shoppers are turning to so-called boutique grocery stores, not just for specialty items, but the essentials. A recent IBM survey found 73% of consumers are either fed up with or have no loyalty to their local supermarket.
If the market was here, I would definitely shop at a store similar to a fresh market where I would get specialized meats and fresh vegetables and different type, not the run-of-the-mill vegetable.
An alternative in Columbia is Clover's Natural Market, which caters to the health food junkie.
It's really almost a polar opposite type of products that we offer. I mean, they're starting to offer a little bit of what our market has always been, due to the demand that now the mass market is seeing.
Topping says the food on his shelves is more scrutinized to eliminate additives than the food at the big box stores.
You know, if you were to look down our bread aisles, I think you'll have a hard time finding a single loaf that has high fructose corn syrup.
Nancy Franklin says she hits the grocery store 2 to 3 times a week. Where she ends up depends on what she's looking for.
On that particular day, I may not need to look in a health food section. And so, you know, whatever's convenient is where I'm going to go first.
And with gas at the $3 mark, Franklin isn't excited at the idea of shopping around. D'Anthony White, KUMU News, Columbia.